Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a your graphic card not detected on device manager on your PC or on your Windows 10 or 11. Okay, for example, I'm using the a AAPU or AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics from processors. So it means this my graphic card is detected on display adapters. Here, if your graphic card after installed on your PC not detected on display adapters, so the first thing to do is download the driver. For example, if you use AMD, you can go to the AMD official website to download the driver and support for processor and graphic. You can choose your graphic card in here. Here you can try to download it based on your operating system. And if you use NVIDIA, you can go to the NVIDIA driver, download the official NVIDIA driver from here. You can manually driver search in here. You can search your product category, for example, GeForce, RTX series here. And based on your operating system, and you can find in here. Here you can download GeForce Game Ready driver and also NVIDIA Studio driver if you content creator. So this is how you can do it. And then after you install the driver, you can restart your PC. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So button below. See you in the next video.